Hey, so what is Helium 10 Black Box? Now, Helium 10 Black Box is a tool for Amazon product research by Helium 10, which is software and suite of tools for Amazon sellers. Black Box is going to help you find products that you can sell on Amazon through different criteria that you enter into the black box. So basically, black box has a big database of products that it takes from Amazon, and by specific criteria that you put in, it will show you products that suit this criteria. I have a full tutorial and review of black box in the description for you. I show you how to use each and every part of it, and also in the description you're going to find the free account and trial of Helium 10, which does grant you kind of limited access to the black box. However, you can still try and play with it. And of course, if you use the discounts for investing in the paid plans of Helium 10, you're going to have like black box with the free usage. So again, here is the tutorial for black box that shows you how to use Amazon product research tool to find products to sell on Amazon. And here's the discount and free trial of Helium 10. My name is Vova, Amazon seller since 2016. So whatever you're going to be seeing here is based on my experience, and I hope to help you in your journey. Helium 10 Black Box. Good luck.